Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the workbook ready and organized so you can work fast. Open the file, enable editing, and immediately save as a new version to protect originals. Next, set up a clear header row and convert to table. This gives filters, structured references, and consistent formatting. Once done, set each column as data type, text, date, or number, and freeze the top row so headers stay visible while you scroll. Make sure to resize columns for readability and apply currency or percent formats where needed. You now assemble the core logic so calculations are reliable. Start with simple formulas in the table and rely on structured references. They autofill and reduce errors. Use absolute references with the $ when you want fixed cells and test by changing sample inputs. Add data validation rules and drop-down lists to limit entries and improve consistency. Once done, layer conditional formatting to highlight outliers and implement named ranges for key inputs. This makes formulas you finish by locking down, distributing, and verifying everything so results are trustworthy. Protect sheets or specific cells to prevent accidental edits, then set share permissions and export a PDF or CSV for stakeholders. Refresh any external connections and run reconciliation checks, sum totals, compare row counts, and spot check formulas. If something breaks, first check calculation mode and formula references. Most issues stem from manual edits or broken links. Finally, save a backup and document one key cell or range to restore if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.